Hi all, welcome to SADESIGN channel. Today I'll show you how to create a poster graphic design within minutes. Duplicate background layer with Ctrl or Command J, add filter to it, go to Filter, Filter Gallery. In Artistic, select Poster Edge. Set the values at below, Edge Intensity 2, Posterization 5. Click the adjustment icon and choose Threshold. Drag the triangle to the left to brighten the image. Create a new layer. Fill it with white by pressing Ctrl or Command Delete. Make sure the foreground is in white. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. In Sketch folder, choose Half-Tone Pattern. Ensure to select line in pattern type. Size is 7. Contrast 50. Rotate this line to vertical. To do that, press Ctrl Command T, right click and select Rotate 90 degrees. Hold Alt, Shift and click to the corner to expand the size from the center. Head to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinate. Make sure to check the option of Rectangular to Polar, and OK. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. And add layer mask to it. Next, we'll use Gradient tool to remove these lines in the middle. Choose Black to White in Preset. Black in foreground. Now, draw a line from the center to the top to create gradient. Pick up Eraser tool with opacity around 60%. Paint over the subject to remove the lines with white in the foreground, not black. Increase the opacity to remove the line on his face completely. That's it. Enjoy! Hope that you will like this tutorial. Hit like, subscribe our channel to update the latest tutorial on a daily basis. Feel free to please comment in case you have any question. Thank you and bye bye!